what's your favorite type of marketing that actually affected you?
Oh,
that
man.
like that you weren't like expecting it to, and you're like, that totally worked, and I bought it hook, line, and sinker. Aside from movies.
Oh, I mean,
I'm putting you on the spot.
Yeah. What kind of marketing worked for me? So I'm a big fan of anything that's creative, like in its design.
Okay, such as?
So hotels.com did a series of 3 commercials, and I actually teach them in my class on how, like, the perfect example of a match cut. And a match cut is when you cut from one shot to another shot, but something's very similar about it. Like maybe you're cutting from a moon in the center of the shot to a plate on a table. You know, it's the match cut of the symbolism of the image. And every single shot in these 3 commercials are match cuts to the next shot.
Okay.
And they're so beautifully done that I've never cared about a hotel company. I've never cared about a travel company. It just doesn't interest me. But I sought them out, and I looked at their website, and I was really engaged, and I was really intrigued, and I wanted to know more about them. And it hooked me because they gave enough care and time to make something creative, that it's not just marketing vomit to put marketing vomit out there.
Gotcha.
They actually sat down with someone and said, make something interesting and artistic.
Okay.
And that hooked me. But then I'm like the small little demographic.
That you just looked at it and you didn't actually buy anything from it?
Oh, I didn't buy anything. No, I'll go to my own hotels.